Hey everyone, I am Bryce and today I am going to explain to you how to get a YouTube TV free trial. First, go to the YouTube TV website using your web browser. If you already have a Google account, sign in. If not, you will need to create one. Make sure you are signed in with Google account you want to use for your YouTube TV. Look for any promotions or offers for a free trial on the YouTube TV homepage. Sometimes they display these offers prominently on their website. If a free trial is available, click on it to start the sign-up process. Follow the instructions provided to complete the sign-up process and start your free trial. Typically, you will need to provide payment information even for a free trial. This is because the subscription will automatically renew at the end of the trial period unless you cancel it. Make sure to know the trial end date and set a reminder to cancel it if you don't want to continue with this service. Once you have signed up, you can start enjoying YouTube TV during the trial period. You will have access to all the features and channels included in the subscription. Remember to cancel your subscription before the end of the trial period if you don't want to be charged for the next billing cycle. You can cancel your subscription at any time during the trial period without being charged. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.